In front of me I have a TP-LINK Neffos Y5L, and I'll show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. And to do it, we will start by going to the settings. So tap on settings and then find the option for battery, which is right here. Just tap on it. And from there you have these three little dots in the top right corner. So tap on them and then go into power plan. And from here, as you can see, it will tell you the percentage of the battery right now and how much left of it is. And at least for me, I don't think the time left is correct, considering I have been recording already for probably that long, and the battery is still at just 80%. So even if it was full, I lost only 20%. And yeah, so at least for me, this isn't correct. But from here you have a couple options that you can optimize it, and for the most part, whenever you press it, it will just change the settings of the phone. So if, let's say, I tap on smart, auto optimize settings, so it will lower down the brightness of the device, and what else? Can I check it? You can also, I guess, go through settings here and choose what it does, what it turns off. So you tap on it. Well, it's actually enabled right now. So let's just go through marathon, which will turn off Wi-Fi, data services, and other stuff. So I'm gonna turn them on to show you how it looks. So I guess Bluetooth is the only thing I will be able to turn on. So if I tap on it, it will automatically turn off most of the things. So kind of brighten the display. As you can see, Wi-Fi now is off, Bluetooth turned off, mobile data was off, so couldn't really turn it off. Also lowered the brightness and a couple other things. And as you can see now, it actually changed the battery status to 17 days, which seems to be more accurate probably. And you can also turn on the sleep, where it will basically turn off almost everything apart from the phone itself, and even furthermore increase the performance of the device, how long the battery lasts. So as you press it, it just went to 33 days, so nearly doubled it. But now the phone is in the basically airplane mode, so you're not gonna even get any calls. But if you have ever a need for it, you can enable it like that. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.